Hey everybody, that'd be a quick video here. Not a picking video, I just wanted to show you this kind of cool lock I got on eBay. It's a DynaLok tubular padlock. I got this without a key. It was being sold as a paperweight. I paid like $7 for it. And just to give you a reference to the size, so this is an American 600. That's the DynaLok. So it's kind of a neat lock. I hope to impression the key and get it on video, but it ended up being a little bit of a chore doing that. Probably half a can of Tri-Flow in there, and my China pick wouldn't get it open, my HPC wouldn't get it open, so I took it to a friend of mine. He has an A1 tubular pick that actually got it open, but we decoded it and we couldn't get a key to work, so just left it unlocked, took it back home, and my HPC pick started working in it. I guess we finally got enough lube worked in it, and I was able to throw that on the Scotsman, the HPC pick, and actually make a key. So now the lock actually functions nicely. So anyway, pretty cool lock. I don't know how old it is. I think it appears to be pretty old. Yep, just thought I'd show you guys that. And so that'll do it for this video. And hopefully next video will be actually opening something on video without a key. So that'll do it for now, and we'll talk to everybody later.